Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. As usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified of future videos, build reviews, builds and the competitions. What we're going to have a look at today is the second set of decals from Lifelike Decals. This is 1/48 scale part 2 for the A5M. First off, let's see what we get inside the bag. Lifelike Decals 48-054, Mitsubishi A5M Part 2. Some pictures on the front of some of the aircraft. 13 sets of marking inside for the fine molds or wingsy kits. And also Lifelike Decals have put their email address and their website on here. And if you have more information on any of their decal sheets or aircraft featured on their decals, email them here. They're one of the companies that really likes to hear back from people who use their products. So let's open it up. The good thing is it's a good sized bag, so it's easy to get things in and out. We have 2 decal sheets. They're taped together, small piece of tape on the back to hold them together, stop moving around. Inside we also have a template, and we have these 2 sheets. Basically, one's the cover. This is all the common markings, the stencils that go onto every single aircraft. References, they always list their references. There's 16 different references used here. So if you have any of these books, you can look things up for yourself. On the other sheet, there's pictures of the 13 aircraft. There's the one that uses the template. Port sides, starboard sides are the same, except where there's something else they have to tell you. Like here, they've got some extra decals on the starboard side. An underwing view, so you can see where certain things go. So that's all good. And what they also do is, and this isn't a bigger text than usual actually, 2 sides here. Basically a bit of history of, or more information on each of the particular builds. And they'll go into specific details. Start with tell you which references were used, where they got the photographs from, who's flying the aircraft, when it was taken, or when this the time frame of this particular aircraft. And it goes into details of the pilot, the aircraft itself, any other information that might be useful in putting things together. And they go into quite a lot of actually pretty interesting details on these things. So there's plenty of information there to give you the background on the idiosyncrasies of each particular aircraft. Now what I'll do is I'll put the 2 decal sheets up on the screen now as I just talk about those for a second. This is the same as part 1. There'll be enough stencils for 2 complete aircraft. And then of course you've still got the main markings to go to use for as many of these aircraft as you want, however many A5Ms you've got in your stash. But they're printed by microscale. The backing sheet is tight around the different decals. The only place I can see the decals is on the text, where it's used to keep everything lined up. So these are up to their usual standards. Lots of really nice detail on these. It's a nice touch that they've given you a template to get things lined up on aircraft number 8. So all in all, it looks like another really good decal sheet from Lifelike Decals. Plenty of options, 13 different options in this particular set. So many thanks for Lifelike for sending it along for us to have a look at.